All right, guys. So today we have a photo shoot with Justin and this other guy we met with the ZR1. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but since then, as y'all can see right there, I got the Q50 wrapped. More coming soon. So we're on our way to that. Here's a nice little cold start for the C7. So I've never really, I guess on the streets, this is my first time driving a C7. I got to drive it in a parking lot. I don't know what they're supposed to feel like. This feels a little bit off. I don't think this is what they should feel like. Oh, I don't know if the camera's catching the audio, but I don't know, you know, maybe that's just what a V8's supposed to sound like, you know. I'm a twin turbo V6 driver. I don't know what a V8 is like, you know. Maybe this is what it's like. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. I was so scared I would scrape there. That's... know if you guys hear that. It's like, sounds like it literally sounds like we're getting hit, or like it's shifting hard. It's like, I can't describe it. But so Justin says it's apparently the drive shaft, and he's trying to go get it serviced. He just hasn't had the time to do it, but it does not sound good. And there's a nice little CT5 in front of us. Not the V, but you know, it's clean, it's nice. Yeah, so hopefully once he gets that all done, we get to see this thing at its fullest. You know, we get to see this thing doing the best it can out here on the streets. You know, put on the video out for you guys. I'm sorry for that little 2-month little break. You know, the Justin's comeback meet was the last thing I posted. Since then, it's just, you know, school started. I'm in my senior year, so you know, we're just trying to, you know, graduate high school. We don't want to be super seniors, but you know, I've been recording a bunch of meets. You know, Jack Swax has had meets. South Lake Cars and Coffee. We went to what's it called, Cars and Coffee, Texas, which was huge, but terrible day for content. Yeah, so the content just hasn't really been on our side. Today, I guess this is pretty good. You know, GT 500, STO, C7, and ZR1 terrorizing the suburbs or something like that. I don't know. Make some clickbait ass title. Not misleading. I'm not that type of guy. Yeah. Y'all saw the wrap. The next video I want to make it about the wrap, or you know, I don't want to talk too much about the car. The Q50 has, you know, gone through some stuff. Oh shit. Anyway, it has gone through. It's gone through, you know, things. You know. I just had it driving cam. I think that's always just been the coolest. And I can't really afford that. You know, I'm just a jobless high school student. And don't be telling me to get a job in the comments. I had a job. Fuck that job. Something I should have done was grab my sunglasses from the car, from my Q50. I should have done that, because I can't see shit right now. I don't even know why I moved left. There's not even, that's technically part of the road. Supposed to be over at the place where we're meeting over at 6. Hope says we'll be there in 2 minutes, hopefully. like that I really don't like. It's not this one, but this. Oh, never mind, not this one. Fuck. Don't scrape, don't scrape. Ah. Damn, I can't see shit out of this thing. Low resolution ass fucking. I'm not gonna use the camera. I think it's low resolution as fuck. Okay, well, I guess now I kind of have to. Brand new lip he just got right here. I really hope I didn't scrape it. And I can give a little rev. Oh yeah. Hold on, bro.
Why you couldn't your keys with mine?
Because it's easier to carry one than just carry two keys. Here.